We've made it to the final noble truth, and that is the path toward the end of suffering. How do we get there? By integrating in the Threefold Path. The Threefold Path is how you give, how you take, and how you tell your story, all revolving around sustainability. That is how you manifest, how you receive, and how you claim your identity. What does this look like? Giving. You're giving of your highest frequency. You're giving your wisdom. You're giving your best secondhand clothes. All of this that you give into the universe, you are then receiving at its highest frequency back. And also, you're only taking things at the highest frequency. These two interplay into each other, always becoming better if you practice them both at the same time. And as you practice this, it will inform the third, which is your identity. When you choose to walk the path of the Threefold Path, you're choosing an identity of sustainability. You're saying that everything that I bring into my life is something that I want to continue on, to give it its own energy. When it's not sustainable, it goes away. It has no steam. Sustainability is about something that can continue on with itself. And when you shape your life like that, that is how we end the suffering of the planet. Because everything that we have in mind is about the best. I discuss this and some of the many practices that you can use to put this into the way that you live your life in my upcoming book, ReFashion Workshop.